Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove read only from a fillable text box and make it editable fillable PDF from open your fillable PDF from and see this. This is read only. You can retype text it or you cannot edit text. Only you can read it. I'll make it read only. Now click on this form option already selected and here you will find the selection option. Click on this down arrow and select annotation and drag your mouse cursor select your fillable text box. Now click right button and mouse cursor and select properties option. And properties dialog box select general option and here you will find this read only option and check mark it and simply remove it and uncheck and close. Now select hand option and see this. Now you can retype text or you can remove text and so on. And see this one, you cannot remove this one you can read only. And similar way, I'll remove this read only, red option and uncheck, close, and see this. Yeah, this is. And finally, see this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.